In this quick guide, I'll help you connect your Xbox console to your Roku TV. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have connected your Xbox console to power, and then grab a high-speed HDMI cable, plug one end into your Xbox console's HDMI out, and the other end into one of the HDMI ports of your TV. After that, we'll go ahead and turn on our Xbox console using the power button. And as you can see, just like ours, your Roku TV should also detect your Xbox console right away. So now you can just switch to your Xbox console using your Roku remote. And as you can see, our Roku TV will also go ahead and turn on game mode for us. But if you didn't know yet, game mode can lower your picture quality a bit. So if you want to turn it on or off in the future, just grab your Roku remote, press the option button. From there, go to picture settings, customize picture, scroll down to game mode and toggle it on or off according to your preference. And also, if you want to change these default picture settings to get the best gaming experience out of your Roku TV, then you can watch our video about the best picture settings for your gaming console right here. So that's how you properly set up an Xbox console on your Roku TV. Don't forget to leave a like and game on.